All right, so the article that I chose to do my journal club assignment on is Blake's London, Diabolical Reading and Poetic Place in Organizational Theorizing. The main summary that I would give for this article is that the two authors, Janet Sayers and Nanette Monin, are attempting to show the similarities between the writings that William Blake was doing with his London poem and the structure and composition of London at that time and society as it was in London in the I guess early Industrial Revolution. So what they are trying to say is that his writing has almost like a psychic, I guess it like hits the mind in a way, and it's more than just writing. And the thesis of this article is the present paper shares the concern, debate, and addresses in these papers that the modern working subject is often overly portrayed as physically manacled by the effects of discourse and language and therefore ineffectual at contesting them. So basically, I think that they're trying to say that the description of this time period is almost overdone in a way, that it's overly portrayed as a manacle with the language that Blake uses and other writers at the time. It says it in the conclusion also that there were 3 points that they were trying to make with this article. So the first one is talking about Blake's work provided a really good philosophy on I guess how to apply meta narratives, which are narratives that are that go over other narratives, and says that the writing style that he uses is very effective for changing political views and for like ethical purposes, such as like the chimney sweeper and the little black boy, all the societal issues that he was trying to solve because he really thought he was a prophet. And the second point that they were trying to make is that let me see. So he's basically saying that. So this sentence right here says that he illustrates how to unmanacle perception from the limits imposed by language. But at the same time, he's trying to reconnect the individual to a more humane and reconstructive system through his language, through Blake's language. So this is what we were kind of talking about in class, where he was attempting to be a prophet and influence people's decision making with his writing and his language, in an attempt to re-envision the structures that were in place. And I think that they do a really great job of this. I think that they really use a lot of great examples, and if you read this article, you will see that, and that's why I chose to use it. But the two authors do a really good job of really showing how Blake, his writing style is used in a way that can really affect people's morals and ethics and their decision making. So that's why I chose to use it. But yeah, that's about it. Thanks.